The Simpsons. Family, today we're going to the mall. We're not going to the mall. We're going to flea market. Wait a minute. You guys are going to flea market with Grandpa. No way! Why do we always have to go there with, like, you guys are having a date? No, we're not having a date. Still not having a date? No. Why? You supposed to have a date? No, cause what I happened, you guys are trying to get in the date, and you ruined it. Sorry, Homer. And it's okay. No way you're gonna destroy it. Fine. So then I'll go. Oops. Sorry. Oh, no. Don't crash the houses. Don't crash my house. Man, that stinks. Shut up. Shut up. Try to go. 2 days later. What do you see in the road? Go! Oh no! Oh! Go! 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 Ah! Ah! Oh no! Ah! Oh! Go! Go! Let's go down here. Ew, Grandpa, he's taking so long. Ow! Hey, wait for us, Marge. Wait, Mom? I just said my mom's name. That's such lazier. That's such lazy. Wait! We have to go in the car. Where? On this car. Oh yeah. Got the shiny lights and oh yeah. I forgot. Let's go inside. Wait for us, Marge. You cannot wait for us. Wait. I'm lying down. Sorry. Ah! Ah! Oh my god! Where did your hair go? I don't know. Maybe I'll check. No way Homer's gonna check where Marge's hair is. I see it! Where? It's in there. Ah! Get it for me. You can. Don't.